Talcott Parsons' Social Action Theory, Understanding Human Behavior in Society. Talcott Parsons was a prominent American sociologist who significantly contributed to the development of sociological theory in the mid-20th century. One of his most influential works is the Social Action Theory, which sought to understand human behavior in society by emphasizing the significance of individual actions and their relationship with social structures. In this video, we will explore the key concepts and principles of Talcott Parsons' Social Action Theory and provide examples to illustrate its application in real-life situations. Key concepts of Social Action Theory. Social system. According to Parsons, a society can be viewed as a social system, comprising various interrelated and interdependent parts that work together to maintain stability and equilibrium. Each part of the system serves specific functions, and any change in one part can impact the entire system. Action theory. Parsons emphasized the importance of understanding human behavior through the lens of action theory, which focuses on individuals' intentional actions and their motivations. Individuals act based on their interpretations of the situation and their understanding of the potential consequences of their actions. Social structure. Social structures are the patterns of norms, values, roles, and institutions that shape and guide individual behavior within a society. These structures provide a framework for organizing social interactions and determining what is considered acceptable or unacceptable in a given context. Pattern variables. Parsons introduced the concept of pattern variables, which are sets of contrasting values that individuals navigate when making decisions and choosing courses of action. These include values such as universalism versus particularism, affectivity versus affective neutrality, self-orientation versus collectivity, and specificity versus diffuseness. AGIL scheme. One of the central elements of Parsons' social action theory is the AGIL scheme, which represents the functional prerequisites necessary for the smooth functioning of any social system. Adaptation. This dimension refers to the need for a society to adapt to its external environment to survive and thrive. For instance, an agricultural society may need to adjust its farming practices based on changes in weather patterns to ensure a stable food supply. Goal attainment. Goal attainment relates to the establishment and pursuit of societal goals and values. Governments and organizations play a crucial role in setting and achieving these goals, such as providing education, healthcare, and infrastructure for the welfare of the population. Integration. Integration involves maintaining social cohesion and order within a society. Institutions like family, religion, and education foster social solidarity and promote a shared sense of identity and purpose among members of a community. Latency. Latency refers to the provision of societal stability and continuity through mechanisms like socialization, cultural transmission, and value internalization. For example, socialization within families helps transmit cultural values and norms from one generation to the next. Examples illustrating social action theory. Protests and social change. In the context of social movements and protests, social action theory can help us understand how individuals choose to participate in such activities. Activists often weigh the potential consequences of their actions, considering both the immediate impact and the broader societal goals they seek to achieve. Decision-making in organizations. In the corporate world, leaders and managers often navigate pattern variables when making strategic decisions. For instance, a company may balance the need for efficiency and universal rules with the need for flexibility to address unique situations. Parenting and socialization. Social action theory sheds light on how parents raise their children and the values they instill in them. Parents make decisions based on their beliefs about what is best for their child's well-being, taking into account their cultural background, societal norms, and the specific needs of the child. Conclusion. Talcott Parsons' social action theory revolutionized the way sociologists approach the study of human behavior in society. By focusing on individual actions, motivations, and their interaction with social structures, this theory provides valuable insights into the dynamics that shape social systems. From understanding the functioning of social movements to decision-making in organizations and parenting practices, social action theory offers a comprehensive framework for analyzing and interpreting various aspects of human behavior in the context of complex social environments.